In this video, I will show you how to create a full stack website using v0.dev. v0.dev is one of the vibe coding platforms. You guys might have been hearing vibe coding all the way in the internet. Basically, what we do here in this platform is you just ask a question or prompt, give a prompt to the site, and this will generate the website for you. Okay, before we go and create our own, I wanted to show you one of the websites that people have. Let's click on this blog type of website, and you can also see how many people have tried recreating it. There's a finance dashboard. We can also try view details, open a new tab. You see here, this is one of the site they create, right? Looking nice. There is another financial dashboard site somebody had created. A dashboard, analytics, all kind of things are there. It's time to create our own website using vibe coding. Once you sign up for the account and log in, you will see something like this. Okay, so I just gave a prompt here. I said create a modern looking website called GBK. GBK stands for Giving Back AI co-founder agent. I just said take inspiration from Y Combinator and replicate the features of what activities are done by the accepted applicants during the cohort. Okay, and if you guys are new to the Y Combinator is basically a startup accelerator company. It's a company that helps somebody to start a startup. You take an idea to the Y Combinator and they will help you create a business or establish a business out of that idea. Okay, this is one of the competitive startup accelerator programs in the United States. Actually, Y Combinator is also based on the lean startup principles. This is the philosophy of Y Combinator. So I decided to create a substitute for Y Combinator using this framework, lean startup methodology. Okay, so that's what this product is going to do. And then we can also say add support for dark themes. Okay, just to reiterate, I slightly modified the prompt. Develop a modern, responsive website for Giving Back AI co-founder agent GBK. The website should draw inspiration from Y Combinator's way of converting a business idea to reality, and then the features should support accepted candidates as founders to test and validate their ideas into a viable business. They then implement a dark theme option for enhanced user experience across all devices. Ensure the website is fully responsive, providing an optimal viewing experience on mobile devices. Okay, let's try enhance prompt again. Let's see what it says. Design a modern, responsive website Giving Back AI inspired by common approach to converting. Yes, the website primary function is to support accepted applicants acting as founders in testing and validating their ideas to create a viable business. Implement a dark theme, blah blah blah. This looks good. Now let's click on submit. And there we have it. It says turn your ideas into a viable businesses. It gives us perfectly looking website. Awesome. So let's click on code. We can also modify the app. Click on this button, file tree. Then I'm gonna say add a page for logged in users to be available at GBK/GBK. Okay, then hit enhance prompt. Okay, it just generated the page, new page that I requested, and then it also gives me the description of what has changed. Now let's go to GBK. There we go. This is our page. So if we click on this, we can open our application in a new window. Welcome back, John. We have 3 active ideas: validation score, customer interviews, market size is there, active ideas, sustainable food delivery. These are all templates. And then we have ideas, AI chat, analytics, and things like this. All right, so that was all, guys. Thank you so much for watching. And if you are interested in creating more websites or product like this, you can go to v0.dev. This is not a sponsored video, but I love how it works, and you guys can also create website using just prompt. I hope this was helpful. Please consider subscribing. It helps the channel a lot, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.